boys and girls and boys, welcome back. Well, the wild man, let me show you this Sunday morning. That's where this thing got its nickname. His real name's Phil, but his nickname's Sunday. Oh, and you gotta roll start him every time, baby. In case you hadn't noticed, we back on the flat track sickle today, boys and girls and boys. Gotta turn around right here. Had to roll start. Can't roll start uphill, baby. I don't know if y'all could hear me, but I put some gas out of a can in this thing, and it rained like torrential rains past couple of days around here. Y'all don't live in North Carolina or the Kentucky area, Virginia. Bro, it's been straight pouring, dude, like two bulls peeing on a flat rock type deal, like a pee pouring out of a boot on a flat rock type raining. What my grandpappy and grandmama would call a gully washer, because in the woods you got stuff called gullies. I mean, a ditch is kind of a gully, but it's a ditch running off a mountain that was created naturally. That's called a gully, and you'll find them all over the mountains. That's where the water comes to, you know, and then it rolls down and it cuts out a little valley called a gully. You get at the bottom and it's called the holler. And if you all messed up, it's called side-goggling. I bet nary one of y'all know what side-goggling means. If you do, leave it down in the comments. If you don't, ask somebody in the comments. They can explain a little better than I can, but it's pretty much, I mean, you know what plumb, like plumb bob, like plumb means? Like us boards are plumb, you know, they're level. When they're not level, back in the day, I'd say that thing's side-goggling, buddy. That thing's all side-goggling. Plumb side-goggling. That pretty much just means not plumb, like not right. Pretty much. Blakey's word from Appalachia of the day. That's my Appalachian vocabulary of the day. Oh, I got a clear carburetor bowl in this thing, and when I say I got water in the fuel, there's like a ½ an inch in the bottom, dude. And I already poured it out once. But I got a few tools on me. If you ride something from the 80s, you better have a few tools on you. If you don't, you just asking for it. Ask me, I know. This thing sounds so amazing, dude. Yeah, you can tell it came a gully washer. Look at all this gravel on the pavement. We're gonna have to be careful today. Look at all that. That's a gully washer, buddy. See that? Wash that gully out? Yes, sir. That's what it means. Gosh, I got stung by a Japanese hornet, dude. Like 4th time this week. Every single time that I've rode in the past 2 weeks, I've literally got stung by a bee, except for one time. I only rode for like 10 minutes then. Yes, sir. Oh, there's gravel everywhere, dude. Water was making this thing idle up. I had to pour it out. I'm going to get something to eat, man. We ordered this HelloFresh box. I mean, it's amazing, honestly, but my girlfriend's like, I ordered a HelloFresh box so I don't have to get groceries. But even though that's like one dinner meal a night, I mean, it's very good. We're going to continue buying them. I mean, we saw the ad on YouTube, HelloFresh. I mean, it's all right. I'll give them a little plug for free because I really like it. I mean, you don't waste anything, and I didn't really understand what they were saying at first, but like, I mean, down to the seasoning, dude. You don't buy a pack of seasoning just to do one meal and then leave it sitting in the cabinet. Like, they give you just enough, you know? And when I say just enough, I mean just enough. And I love sour cream, and they just gave me just enough. That's the only complaint I got, is because I'm fat and I want more. Hey, people. How you doing, guys? Good morning. Good Sunday to you. Sunday, Sunday. So good to be. Sunday. We're gonna go see a couple friends today and see what we can get into, baby. Might be little lipping on some apple pie, some Appalachian pie, if you know what I'm saying. Get the Appalachian pie out, boys. It's gonna be a good day. It's supposed to rain in the afternoon, but I mean, when is it not supposed to rain in the afternoon at the beginning of August? So we're just gonna roll with it, buddy. We in the armpit of the South, bud. One thing I did want to talk about though is like, what would you guys like to see in the future of this channel? You know, like I got a bunch of bikes that I could do something with, and I just kind of ride them when I want to, you know, and I got a collection, buddy. At least 8 right now. I got a few trucks too. I got like 4 square bodies. And a Nissan hard body, 2 Volkswagen Bugs. Like, dude, one of them's turboed 5-speed. Like, let me know in the comments what y'all want me to do. What y'all like seeing, you know? You like seeing me just be an idiot out on these motorcycles, having a good time? Because, I mean, I love filming that too. Just being a dummy, having a good time, you know? Like, man, that's my life. And if you ain't having a good time, like if you're like sad all the time, like there's a point in my life where I was sad all the time, and thank God I got over that, dude. Like you gotta get out and live, dude. LIVIN type deal. Y'all was with me last time this thing popped out of gear. It just minorly did it right there, but I didn't have it shoved up in all the way. This thing will run, buddy, I'm telling you. Oh, there's a stick. I keep forgetting it stormed last night, dude. I'm gonna have to be careful, buddy. So, we might go to a place called Wildflower Bakery, and they got some banging sandwiches. I don't really know what they offer on Sunday, but I live in the Bible Belt in a small town. Like, if y'all know what Mayberry is from the Andy Griffith Show, like I legit live in Mayberry. Like it's no different, dude. We got a Barney Fife, we got an Andy, we got a everything, bro. Like, yes sir. I do need to be a little careful because it did storm. Last time I came through here, I had a file corrupt, dude, and we were doing 60. And there was a tree that fell right in front of me, dude. I had it all on camera and everything. When I got home, the file corrupted because I guess the GoPro got wet or something. It didn't like it. And it corrupted the file on me. But you know, it is what it is. I was like, yeah, we need to go slow before we hot lap this place, you know. 40's better than 50. Street tire still in the front. I got stick in the way. Yeah, boy, yeah. But y'all seriously gotta let me know like what y'all want to see, dude. Because I got trucks, I got bikes, I got everything. I even got a Honda ATC 3-wheeler. There's a porta potty, bro. Bro, there's a porta potty at the dang chug hole, bro. Now the lady's got a place to poop. That's my spot too, dude. I bet they were fixing this road up here. I can tell how rough it is that they were being up here with something. Cause this shit's all about to fall off the dang mountain, dude. Like y'all don't even know. I ain't know how it has it. Look at that. Oh God, I'm about to fall off the mountain. No, get out of here. You're not gonna get me to dirt. No. This bridge is so sandy, dude. It's like, bunch of hippies. This is where that tree was. You can still see like in the road. That's where that tree fell in front of me. I wasn't kidding y'all, dude. I wish I had it on GoPro still. I tell you what, it's like legit 70 something degrees everywhere else but here in this holler. It's like 55 right now. If not, yeah, it's about 55. God, I don't have a good headlight. I mean, I don't have a good headlight and I got a tinted visor. On this thing, and the clutch was slipping a little bit too, and I had to adjust it out. But like the clutch on this bike, when I got it, it was froze together, and I literally soaked it in transmission fluid, picked it apart with a screwdriver, put it back in, and I've been riding the crap out of it, dude. Some of y'all might think I'm really stupid for doing that, but I don't really care. Jump that. What's crazy is the Wildflower Bakery is literally right on the end of this road. Like, you literally go down this road and you pop right out at a bakery. And I mean, I'm not talking like a crappy bakery or nothing either. That water, you heard it. We're gonna pass these people. God, the Blazer. This is like the first time I've ever seen a Blazer, dude. You've seen 50 Broncos. So washboarded right now. Man, got beet stung and everything this morning, dude. I just grabbed a little jar at the freezer and took me a shot of some old apple pie, boy. I said, screw it. I ain't gonna sit here and hurt. We gonna take us a little squirt. Man, I'm blowing so much hot air. Oh my gosh, it's 80 degrees up here, dude. Oh my Lord. I didn't notice it, but I was like getting cold, dude. It's legit 80 degrees up here, bro. Like, y'all say 80 degrees in the south. It's early in the morning. Wildflower, here we come, boy. Wonder how long the wait on something like this is here. Right, guys, we at the Wildflower Bakery. We're gonna go get some food. We'll be right back.